lifted van sighting. The owner's gonna come out right now and say, what are you doing to my van? I just like it. If he comes out, I'll say, I like it, man. I know what it is right away. That's a RTZ spacer lift. Nice van. RTZ spacer lift. Spotted it right away. I know my van's too much. It's kind of obsessive, huh? There's that van. So I was driving this direction and spotted that van. I wasn't going to Home Depot. I'm headed to Walmart right now. So that one was for you, Mike. Shout out to Mike. He wants to lift his high top van. So I've been talking about lift kits a lot lately, and I just happened to spot that high top with the spacer lift. I know Mike wants the full 5-inch lift kit, but he might do a spacer lift just to tide himself over. So there you go, man. That's a quick look at a spacer lifted van with a high top, man. It looked good.